Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm working on another colour study for my new painting. I always start with a quick sketch on canvas paper, and then later on in the video I'll be using oil paints. Here's a list of colours I'll be using: phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, raw umber, alizarin crimson, yellow ochre, vermilion red, cadmium yellow, titanium white, phthalo green and Indian yellow. My favourite brushes to use are ivory filberts. They have a rounded edge. They're good for many techniques like blending and glazing, and you can use it on the side for sharp lines. This is where I forgot to push record. And again. I used a glazing technique to make the fish appear to be underwater. For this technique, I use colours that are more transparent. Different pigments have different properties, some more opaque than others. I use more transparent colours such as sap green, phthalo green, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, alizarin crimson and Indian yellow, mixed with a gel and a little paint thinner. The brush I'm using here is a pointed round, and it's good for smaller details. There's some white and yellow in this mixture, which I use to create some highlights, which I will glaze over later. To bring out more texture and definition in the scales, I go in with a darker mixture of raw umber, blue and crimson. The glazing mixture I'm using here is phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo green and Indian yellow to create the deep ocean blues and greens. I think I'm happy with the colours in the study. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.